Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage commercial insurance with CNA detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin managing your commercial insurance with CNA, gather all relevant business information. Identify the types of coverage your business requires. Visit CNA's official website to access their commercial insurance options. Explore the different policies available, such as general liability, property insurance, and workers' compensation. Use their online tools to estimate your coverage needs. Fill out any required online forms to get quotes tailored to your business. Review the quotes provided to compare coverage options and prices. Once you've selected a policy, initiate the application process by providing necessary documentation. Be prepared to supply business details, including financial statements and any previous insurance history. After submitting your application, await further instructions from a CNA representative. Respond promptly to any additional questions or requests for information to expedite your application. Once approved, carefully review your policy documents for accuracy. Take note of the coverage limits, exclusions, and renewal terms. If necessary, schedule a call with your CNA representative to clarify any doubts regarding the policy. Implement a risk management strategy to mitigate potential claims. Regularly assess your insurance needs as your business grows or changes. Set calendar reminders for policy renewal dates to avoid lapses in coverage. Maintain ongoing communication with CNA to stay informed about policy updates and new offerings. Document any changes in your business that may affect your insurance needs. Consider scheduling an annual review of your coverage with a CNA expert to ensure you remain adequately protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.